A red-tailed hawk is singing to us and thanking us for creating a bath for it to clean itself in. It's just got a perfect pool for itself now. We've created a Pondless Waterfall in this very challenging location. And we're in the kind of wrap-up phase of planting and drip irrigation right now. Look how tranquil that is. It drops into a pool which captures the splash. There's very little space to work within, but these plants will fill in beautifully. You know, all you'll see is just the middle of the falls. You know, I love hearing water dancing sing, but I also love hearing this redtail sing. It's a very beautiful bird. Thanks for joining me.